I pitted the champion of AI, Claude Fable 5, head-to-head against the #1 runner-up, GPT-5.6 Soul, to see which one could build a flawless, satisfactory companion app in a single prompt. So, I'm gonna start with Fable 5, since he's defending his title for the greatest AI, after I've seen what ChatGPT can do, Soul 5.6. We'll start with Claude, and I already have this prompt. It's a huge prompt that I already wrote with another AI, Gemini, about what I want from them. They will both get the same prompt, and we will see the results. Hopefully, Claude can cook without having to push more money into it. I've left it alone for a couple of days, so let's see. Okay, finally, Fable 5 has finished, and it gave us this. Oh my god, it looks vibe coded even though I told it not to make it vibe coded. Let's see. Plan factories with precision. Recursive dependency and resolve any. Start planning, browse with codex, factory planner. Let's say I want, let's say reinforced. No, what's this? Target stage, foundation blueprint. So these are full smelters, 3 constructors that go, what do they make though? Iron plate that go inside an assembler, and smelters go for iron rods go for screws, I think. Screws go inside the assembler as well. Not bad. Say I want to make steel pipe, steel beam. Man, we have to fix this bullshit. It's not bad, but it's not fully working. This is nice. The foundation blueprint. It's like a flowchart thing. Let's see if we can fix this real quick. It's telling me it fixed it. Fixed it. Okay, let's see. I don't think so, because I still got the error. Oh! It actually did. Iron ore. 120 per minute. 4 smelters. Ooh, that's nice. Let's say we want to make... Oh my god, that's actually really nice. Steel ingot. Versatile framework. Y'all don't get how this is so confusing when you're in game. If you're new to the game, it's very confusing. It will be very confusing, and you'll start wrong. If you're not new to the game, you'll be able to do it faster and easier, but it'll always be hard. It will never be easy. And this is actually nice. This is very nice. This is the codex. So if we want motor, let's see. Plan a factory. Iron ore, iron ingot, iron rod, screw, rotor, motor. Coal. Oh, nice. Actually, very nice. I don't like the design though. So let's see if ChatGPT can make a better design. ChatGPT 5.6 Soul on high thinking, and let's go. We'll be back when it finishes. We're back. ChatGPT Soul has finished. It's shit. Fable 5, design-wise, it crushed it. But at least we didn't have to give ChatGPT an error response, so another prompt. We will test the functionality since that's the important part of this website. Let's go with the planner. Let's say I want to create steel beams. Oh, rotor. Let's go rotor. 10 rotors? No, we're not. 5 rotors. Mermaid unavailable. What the fuck? Displayed. Then there is an error. And this is the Fallout physical layout blueprint. Rotor 1.25 assembly. Rotor 1, rotor 2. Screws. Iron rods, iron ingot. Tier 4. Tier 3. So yeah, we're still in tier 2 basically right now. A lot of errors. We can tell it to fix it actually. I'm gonna screenshot it to give it a fair chance at least. ChatGPT had some time to fix its issues. Let's see now. Heavy modular frame. Let's keep it at 10. Also, same issue. Man, this is bullshit. Why is it giving me all this? So Fable 5 is still the runner-up, not runner-up, the defending champion of AI. ChatGPT's Soul 5.6 might be good in other stuff. We'll test it out later. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.